Say hi, Daddy. Say hi, Dad.
You ready to go night-night?
Are you reading the book about the pie, or you're eating the book about the pie?
Mia, let's go night-night.
Ready to go night-night? Watch Mama's big belly. Once you get Elmo and Scout, so you can go night-night. Elmo. Go put your book in the basket. Can you put the book back in the basket? Can you? Look, I'll put this one. Look. Put it back in the basket. And help Mama. Put it back in the basket. Thank you. Good job. Alright, get Elmo and get Scout. That's right. Good job. You have to close it. Good job. Getting Elmo and Scout. Look, they're right here. Okay. Elmo. That's right. Elmo. Let's go night-night.
Oh, pick up Elmo.
You want to tell Puppy? Oh, Puppy's night-night, or they're outside?
Stewie's outside.
Uh-oh. Lay down in your bed. Want me to help you? Here, give me Elmo and give me Scout. Okay, and we're going to put them in the bed, and you can climb in. Oh, look, a hat.
Night-night.
Climb in bed. You got it?
Here comes Maggie. Say night-night, Maggie. Maggie's going night-night.
It's okay. She was dancing and she bumped her head. It's okay. It's okay. I love you. Can you go night-night? There you go. You get it? You got it. You got it. Come on. You're going to get it. Mimi. Good. You want me to help? Okay, ready? Ready? Okay. Boom. Okay. You're so silly. Why are you so smiley? You jumping on the bed? You're so silly. Alright, lay down so you can go. Let's jump. That's right. Now lay down so you can go night-night. Why do you want to take off your diaper now? Is it dirty? You need me to check it? You need me to check it? Okay, let me see. Let me see your butt. You need to change your butt? No, we okay. We're fine. Mwah. Say night-night. Night-night. Mwah. Night-night. Okay, lay down. Lay down. Can I have a kiss? I love you. Okay, let's get tucked in. Okay. Okay. Here's our sheet. Lay down. Okay.
5 minutes of bedtime. Good night.
Come on, baby.
Making sure her animals are covered up.
He's okay. He wants you to go night-night.
He's gonna stay warm.
She's gonna get all frustrated with it. Look. He's ready for night-night.
Mia, night night. Love you.
Here, baby, look. I got the perfect solution. Here you go. That's for him. That's his blanket. There you go. He's covered up. Now you lay down. Okay. Hug your baby. Okay. Oh, he's covered up. He's right there. Okay. One more kiss. All right. Night night.
Night night. Love you.
Mwah.